In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your travel plans using Expedia and ensure a smooth start to your journey with a seamless check-in process. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or venturing out for the first time, these steps will help you tackle your travel itinerary like a pro. All right, let's dive right into it. First things first, you want to head over to the Expedia website. If you're not already familiar with Expedia, it's a comprehensive travel platform where you can book flights, hotels, car rentals, and more. So open up your web browser and key in Expedia's URL. Once the site loads, make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it might be worthwhile to set one up for easier access to your travel itineraries and additional features. Now let's get to the Trips section on Expedia. You'll typically find this easily reachable from the homepage. Once you're there, you should see all your upcoming trips listed in one convenient spot. This is the hub of all your travel details, providing quick access to your flight, hotel, and other travel information. Take a moment to carefully review your listed trips and select the one that pertains to your immediate travel plans. Doing this will bring up all the specifics related to your upcoming journey. Once you've selected your trip, you're going to click on Check In with Airline. This option is your gateway to beginning the check-in process directly with your airline. Clicking here will take you to your airline's official website or app. Remember, checking in as early as possible within the allotted time frame can be beneficial for several reasons, such as securing a preferred seating choice or receiving last-minute notifications regarding any flight changes. Now follow the on-screen instructions provided by the airline to complete your check-in. This typically involves confirming essential travel information such as your seat selection, any additional luggage requirements, and even meal preferences if applicable. Make sure you have all your travel documents, like your ID or passport, ready to confirm your identity seamlessly during this process. Once you've successfully checked in, you will have the opportunity to download your boarding pass. Saving your boarding pass directly to your phone is a practical option, as it minimizes the risk of losing it and offers easy access at the airport. You may even consider printing a physical copy, just as a backup. And that's it. You're now fully checked in and ready to embark on your journey. This straightforward process ensures you're not overwhelmed as you approach your travel date, providing peace of mind. With this well-oiled process, you'll be well on your way to boarding your flight without a hitch. Happy travels and safe journey.